Best Online Business Ideas 2023. Ever thought the digital realm had hit its peak? Think again. 2023 is bringing the future right to our screen, and the virtual gold rush is just getting started. From the mesmerizing world of virtual reality to the green lanes of sustainable e-commerce, we're about to delve into the 9 hottest online business trends that could shape the digital frontier. Ready to uncover the secrets of the web's next big thing? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with ideas that are more than just buzzwords. They're potential game changers. Don't miss the chance to be ahead of the curve. Number 1. Virtual reality or VR consultancy. The realm of virtual reality or VR has expanded dramatically in recent years as the technology continues to advance. Businesses from various industries seek ways to incorporate VR into their operational and marketing strategies. This creates an opportune niche for VR consultancy. Professionals who understand the intricacies of VR software, hardware, and applications can offer invaluable advice to businesses. Whether it's designing immersive real estate tours, setting up virtual classrooms, or creating interactive product demos, the possibilities are vast. Moreover, as traditional sectors like education, healthcare, and real estate continue to discover the potential benefits of VR, the consultant's role becomes even more crucial. Imagine medical students practicing surgeries in a controlled VR environment, or real estate agents offering a detailed virtual property tour, allowing potential buyers to walk through a house from the comfort of their own homes. The application of VR isn't just for gaming. Its real-world applications are both diverse and expansive. The key for aspiring VR consultants is to stay abreast of the latest technological developments while also cultivating an understanding of industry-specific needs. By bridging the gap between tech expertise and industry demands, VR consultants can carve out a lucrative niche in the modern business landscape. Number 2. Sustainable product e-commerce. As global awareness about environmental issues grows, there's been a notable shift in consumer preferences towards sustainable and eco-friendly products. From biodegradable household items to upcycled fashion, the demand for greener options is on the rise. Entrepreneurs can tap into this growing market by establishing an e-commerce platform dedicated solely to sustainable products. This business idea isn't just about selling eco-friendly products, it's about creating a brand that resonates with the eco-conscious values of consumers. Transparency is crucial. Customers want to know the origin of the products, the materials used, the manufacturing processes involved, even the packaging sustainability credentials. By curating and partnering with responsible suppliers, businesses can build trust and foster brand loyalty. The key to success in sustainable e-commerce is continuous research and staying ahead of market trends. Whether it's introducing new biodegradable gadgets or promoting sustainable fashion labels, staying relevant and appealing to the eco-conscious audience requires constant innovation and a genuine commitment to the environment. Number 3. Remote work solutions provider. The pandemic ushered in a new era of remote work, and even as the world moves forward, many companies continue to see the value in offering flexible work options. As a result, there's a burgeoning demand for solutions that make remote work seamless. Whether it's software for virtual collaboration, ergonomic home office equipment, or even digital wellness solution, the market is ripe for innovative ideas. Beyond just tools and software, companies are also seeking guidance on the best practices for managing a remote team, maintaining employee engagement, and ensuring productivity. By offering a suite of solutions, from tech tools to consultancy services, businesses can position themselves as a one-stop shop for all things related to remote work. To succeed in this domain, understanding the evolving challenges of remote work is essential. Regular feedback loops with clients, staying updated with technological advancements, and a proactive approach to identifying potential problem areas can make a business stand out in this competitive space. Number 4. Personalized health and fitness coaching. With a growing focus on health and wellness, personalized coaching has emerged as a popular trend. Using a blend of digital tools, data analytics, and human touch, coaches can create bespoke fitness and nutrition plans tailored to individual needs. Gone are the days of generic diet charts and workout routines. Today, it's all about customization. Advances in wearable tech also play a significant role in this sector's growth. From smartwatches that track heart rate and sleep patterns to fitness bands monitoring daily activity levels, there's a wealth of data available. Health coaches can leverage this data to fine-tune their advice, ensuring better outcomes for their clients. Aspiring entrepreneurs in this sector should focus on continuous learning. New research, evolving fitness methodologies, and technological innovations are par the course. Combining evidence-based strategies with an empathetic approach can help in building a loyal client base. Number 5. Digital courses and education platforms. The digital revolution in education is in in full swing. With the proliferation of online platforms, there's an ever-growing demand for high-quality, niche-specific content. Whether it's a course on underwater photography, a masterclass in vegan baking, or a comprehensive guide to urban farming, the opportunities are endless. Creating a digital course requires a blend of expertise in the chosen domain and an understanding of pedagogical techniques. It's not just about sharing knowledge, it's about creating an engaging, interactive, and educational experience for the learner. High-quality video content, interactive quizzes, peer interaction forums, and real-world assignments can enhance the learning experience. For those not keen on creating their own courses, building a platform that curates and hosts courses from various experts can be equally profitable. Ensuring a seamless user experience, offering a range of payment options, and focusing on high-quality content curation can make such a platform a go-to destination for eager learners. Number 6. Personal branding consultancy. In today's digital age, personal branding has become more crucial than ever, from professionals looking to advance in their careers to influencers aiming to grow their audience. Building a strong, consistent personal brand can open doors to countless opportunities. This has paved the way for personal branding consultants to offer their expertise. Personal branding consultants' role goes beyond just creating a stunning website or curating an Instagram feed. It involves understanding the client's goals, values, and strengths, and weaving a narrative that resonates with their target audience. This could mean advising on content strategies, media appearances, networking techniques, or even personal style choices. With the blurring lines between professional and personal in the digital realm, consultants must adopt a holistic approach. Continuous learning, understanding the nuances of various social media platforms, and staying updated with industry trends are essential to offer clients the best possible advice. Number 7. Augmented reality or AR advertising services. Augmented reality or AR is changing the face of advertising with the ability to superimpose digital content onto the real world. AR offers a whole new realm of interactive and engaging advertising opportunity. Brands are always on the lookout for innovative ways to reach their audience, and AR provides just the avenue. AR advertising is not limited to just big brands. With the right tools and expertise, even small businesses can leverage AR to create immersive experiences for their customers. This could be as simple as a restaurant offering an AR menu where dishes come to life, or a boutique showcasing its fashion line through a virtual try-on experience. Entrepreneurs venturing into AR advertising must prioritize staying updated with the latest in AR technology. The field is rapidly evolving, and what's innovative today might be obsolete tomorrow. A blend of creativity, technical know-how, and a keen understanding of client needs can pave the way for success in this exciting domain. Number 8. Voice technology solutions. With the rise of smart speakers like Amazon's Echo and Google Home, voice technology has taken a forefront in the tech world. This surge in voice-activated devices has created ample opportunities for businesses to develop applications or skills tailored for these platforms. From voice-activated games and quizzes to informative daily briefings or custom e-commerce experiences, there's a myriad of ways businesses can leverage voice technology. Beyond just smart speakers, the application of voice tech is also increasing in areas like customer service with VoiceBot, and even in website accessibility solutions. For brands, voice search optimization is becoming as critical as traditional SEO. Ensuring that products, services, or content are discoverable through voice searches can provide a significant edge in the market. Entrepreneurs diving into voice technology solutions should focus on user experience. The success of voice applications hinges on intuitive designs and clear audio feedback. Moreover, understanding the nuances and capabilities of different voice platforms can enable businesses to craft tailored, effective solutions for each. Number 9. AI-powered mental health platforms. The importance of mental health has been gaining significant attention in recent years, and the technology sector has responded with various innovative solutions. AI-powered platforms that provide resources, interactive sessions, and even therapy-like chats are becoming increasingly popular. These platforms can offer users immediate assistance, guidance, and coping mechanisms in times of stress or anxiety. Unlike traditional therapy, AI-powered platforms can be available 24/7, providing real-time support. These systems use advanced algorithms to recognize patterns, offer coping strategies, and even identify when a human intervention might be necessary. While they don't replace professional therapy, they serve as a valuable tool for those who might be waiting for appointments or simply need immediate assistance. For entrepreneurs considering this avenue, it's vital to prioritize user privacy and data security, since users might share sensitive information. Ensuring that the platform is secure and confidential is paramount. Furthermore, collaborating with mental health professionals during the development phase can ensure the platform's guidance is both safe and effective. And there you have it, the future of online business distilled into 9 promising ideas. Remember, success isn't just about knowing the trends, but acting upon them with vision and passion. If any of these business avenues resonated with you, we urge you to take the leap and carve your niche. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and actionable advice. And if you found value in today's video, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Until next time, keep innovating and trailblazing. Here's to your online success in 2023 and beyond.